In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a discount coupon code in Kajabi, step by step. If you're a Kajabi user and you've been wanting to offer special discounts on your products or services, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process together, ensuring you set everything up correctly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Kajabi website. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log in with your credentials to access your dashboard. After logging in, you'll see a variety of options in the menu on the left. You'll want to locate and click on the section labeled Sales. This is where you manage all your products and the transactions associated with them. Within the Sales menu, look for an option labeled Coupons. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you can view all the existing coupon codes that you've created in the past, but today, we'll focus on creating a brand new coupon. To add a new coupon, you'll notice a plus button, or it might be labeled as New Coupon. Click it to initiate the process. Now choose the single coupon option. This option is typically used when you want a unique code that can be used by either one person or a limited number of people. It's perfect for creating exclusive offers. After selecting the single coupon option, you'll need to define the actual code. Click on Coupon Code and type in a memorable and relevant code. This code is what your customers will enter at checkout to receive their discount. Next, it's time to decide on the discount type. Click on Discount Type, and you'll see options such as percentage off or a specific amount off. For this example, we're selecting amount off, which means the coupon will deduct a fixed amount from the customer's total price. Type in the specific amount you want to offer under amount off. Consider setting this to an attractive number that encourages your customers to make a purchase. Following this, you'll need to determine the currency type. Click on Currency Type and choose the appropriate currency for your audience. USD is a common selection, but make sure to select what aligns with your business needs. When it comes to the duration of the coupon, you'll find a section labeled Duration. Here, decide whether the coupon is available forever or only for a specific period. For permanent promotions, forever might be suitable, but for limited time offers, click on Expiration Date to set a definitive end date. Once you're satisfied with all your settings and inputs, click on Continue to finalize and save your new coupon code. That's all there is to it. You now have a fully functioning discount coupon that can be used by your customers. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in setting up discount codes that can drive sales and customer engagement in Kajabi.